up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna go ahead and be doing a honest review on the Vvash Auto Care foam cannon. This video is not sponsored. I just want to go ahead and clear that up. This isn't sponsored, but I do have a discount code with them. So if you want to go ahead and purchase one yourself after this video, go ahead and use the code in the description. So without further ado, let's go ahead and wash up this SS that's nice and dirty. Let's go ahead and show you guys first.
Alright guys, so it's not too bad, but it does have a couple bugs as usual, but it is really dusty. That's the main issue we have out here in the valley. Cars get really dusty, but as far as this car being driven, it's really more of a weekend driver, so it doesn't really get dirty as far as like bugs and stuff like that sticks to actual paint. Again, it's just mostly dust when it sits. Alright guys, so when you pick up the foam can, you can actually go ahead and get a soap with it. Now there is a couple options that you have, but right now what we have in front of us, I have the premium shampoo as well as the foam cannon shampoo. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the foam cannon shampoo because again, it is actually meant for the foam cannon. So let's go ahead and hook it up and go ahead and put some of the soap in. And again, we have the dirty SS out here. Again, it's not too dirty, just a lot of dust. So the foam cannon should do the perfect job. All right guys, so we actually went ahead and actually washed up all the wheels with the handless wash method using the Vvash wheel and tire package. So if you haven't actually checked out that video, go ahead and check it out. It worked amazing. But without further ado, let's go ahead and wash this up with the foam cannon. Okay, so per instructions, we're gonna go ahead and fill it up 2 to 4 ounces and then the rest with actual water. Okay, and typically the 2 to 4 ounces is usually 2 good squeezes. Alright guys, so we have it filled up with the water, and as usual, their products always smell amazing. This soap smells amazing. So we're gonna go ahead and hook it up, and let's go ahead and check out these kind of suds, and let's see what we get. Alright guys, so it's nice and sturdy, feels really good. So this is a really good, expensive product. So it actually matches up with the Chemical Guys pricing. So again, let's go ahead and check out the results and let's see if it performs up to its price. But again, we're losing daylight, so let's go ahead and try to get this up nice and quick.
I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right.
Did it snow? Just kidding.
Oh my god.
Did it snow?
Alright guys, so just from doing half the car right now, honestly, my honest opinion right now, I'm actually liking this better than the Chemical Guys. Believe it or not, I'm serious. This thing's amazing. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and actually use their acai, I think that's how you say it. I'm honestly not too sure how to say it. Go ahead and correct me if you can in the comments below. But this thing feels amazing. Honestly, this is like the softest, most softest. It feels like a dog, honestly. It feels like I'm petting a nice dog. Now I'm sure actually the soap itself pulled off a lot of the dust, but this again had a couple bugs. So I just wanna go ahead and make sure I get them off. I don't have to, you know, try to re-scrub it after the car is done. Even though I could with the waterless wash if I wanted to.
Love, even when it's going down, know that we gon' live it up. Young shot caller, always been a baller. Know that you the one, I can feel it in my heart. Yeah, I won't stop charging.
The car looks beautiful. It took off all that dust. Again, it wasn't too bad. It wasn't too dirty or anything like that. But you can go ahead and actually see that it's beautiful. It looks great. Again, I'm just amazed at how well that product did. Alright guys, so now to actually purchase the foam cannon with a soap, it's around $79 depending on which soap you actually get. Because there is an actual ceramic option, so if your car is ceramic coated, you can go ahead and actually get the ceramic soap for it. So that way you keep up to date and keep that maintenance up for your ceramic coating. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just include some screenshots like right now of a couple different things, a couple different options that you can go ahead and pick it up by itself or with the different kind of variations of packages that they carry with the foam cannon itself. But again, it worked amazing, and I cannot believe how I said that again, because you guys do know I've been a Chemical Guy supporter for a very long time, and I still love their products. Again, this company, Vvash, it's still growing. It's gonna keep producing a lot of great products. I'm just falling in love with their products overall, and honestly, I think you guys should too. I think you guys should try them out because, you know, whenever you see a different company, you're just kind of like, oh, whatever, but you usually go with the mainstream thing like Chemical Guys or Adam's Polish or something like that. But you know what? Vvash is killing it. I'm serious. You guys saw it here. They're doing amazing. Stay tuned because we're going to be having a lot of review videos. As you guys can go ahead and see, I'm stocking up on a lot of their products because they just keep blowing my mind. And I wanted to go ahead and actually give them a try before I actually announce this. I'm going to be doing a giveaway very soon, and the foam cannon is going to be included in one of the items. So go ahead and stay tuned. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, so you guys can stay tuned for that giveaway. It should be happening within the same week of this video, hopefully. Again, I wanted to try it out, as well as I did do the wheel package, and that's going to be included in the giveaway as well. So go check out that review video if you have not. But those are the 2 items that I'm going to be announcing in the giveaway very shortly. Alright guys, so enough of me ranting on. I will go ahead and end the video here. Again, stay tuned. Go ahead and subscribe again for that giveaway. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.